Hi everyone, how are you all doing? My name is Sudhi. In this video, we will learn to do ab exercises at home. There will be 5 exercises. As a beginner, you are expected to do 12 to 15 repetitions for 2 sets. As you build your capacity, increase the number of sets to 3 after 2 weeks and gradually to 4. Without further ado, let's get started.
Our first exercise is ab crunches. Lie down on the mat. Bring your feet close together. Take your hands behind the head. Now exhale, lift your shoulder blades off the mat. Inhale, lower the body. Exhale, inhale as you lower the body. Feel the contraction that is happening in your abdomen. Keep your elbows flared out. Perform a minimum of 12 to 15 repetitions. And as a beginner, do it for 2 sets and gradually increase it to 4. The second exercise is leg raises. Keep your feet close together, hands behind the head. Lift your shoulder blades off the mat. Exhale as you raise the leg. Inhale as you lower it. Control the movement. Raise your legs to 90 degrees and slowly lower it so that it barely touches the mat. Make sure that your knees are extended throughout the movement. Don't bend your knees. Perform this exercise for a minimum of 12 to 15 repetitions. This is a very good exercise that targets your upper and lower abs. If you have any issue with your neck, you can keep your head down. The third exercise is scissors. Lie down on the mat. Keep your feet close together. Raise your legs to 30 to 45 degrees. Now cross the legs one above the other. Do it as fast as you can. If you want, you can slightly raise your head to increase the contraction in the abdomen. Keep your knees extended throughout the movement. Do this exercise for a minimum of 12 to 15 repetitions. The fourth exercise is bicycle crunch. Keep your knees bent and your hands behind your head. Lift your knees up. Extend the left knee. With an exhale, touch the left elbow to the right knee and the right elbow to the left knee. The goal should be to twist your torso while doing the movement. Notice that when my left knee is bent, the right knee is completely extended, and when the right knee is bent, the left knee is completely extended. Perform this exercise for a minimum of 12 to 15 repetitions for 2 sets in the beginning. As you build stamina and strength, you can gradually increase the number of exercise sets to 3 and then to 4. This is a wonderful exercise that targets your obliques along with the abdominals. The fifth and the final exercise is lying leg circles. Again, keep your hands behind your head. Join both your feet and lift it to 45 degrees. Now start making circular motion with your legs in clockwise direction. Keep your knees extended throughout the movement. The bigger the circle is, the challenging the exercise is. try to do 12 to 15 repetitions per set. As I said, the bigger the circle you draw with your legs, more difficult the exercise becomes. This is a wonderful exercise to build your abs. Let us do this exercise in anti-clockwise direction now. We call it one set after you have completed the movement in both clockwise and anti-clockwise directions. Do this exercise for 2 sets for 12 to 15 repetitions. This exercise also improves your hip mobility. Don't forget to stretch your abdomen after performing your ab exercises. Do cobra pose to stretch your abdomen. Hold this pose for a minimum of 30 seconds and try to do it for 2 sets. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel.